Welcome! Today we're going to clear the jam rear error on your Brother machine. This video will cover multiple models and operating systems. Even though your machine may not match the model on the screen, the overall process will be the same. Unplug the power cord from the outlet. Remove the paper tray and paper support. Turn to the rear of the machine and open the rear cover. Gently remove any jammed paper with both hands. Replace the paper support and the paper tray. Plug the machine back into the outlet. For more tutorials, FAQs, and videos, visit us at www.brother-usa.com. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe. Thank you for choosing Brother.